Hey Akis, welcome to another video. So today we will be talking about the different branches of biology. You guys requested me to make a video on this and here I am with this video. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So first type of branch that I got you is eugenics. Again, I repeat eugenics. So eugenics is basically the study of factors connected with the improvement with human race. So factors connected with improvement of the human race comes under the first type of branch, that is eugenics. Next one is the branch euthenics. So euthenics is the study of environmental condition for the improvement of human beings. The previous one was factors connected with the improvement. This is specifically environmental factors considered with the improvement of human beings. Next is called as euphenics. Now, what is euphenics? It is basically the improvement again of phenotypic defects or abnormalities, that is by altering the environment. So how to improve the phenotypic defect due to genetic abnormalities is what we are doing in euphenics. Next is ethology. Ethology is the study of animal behavior in their natural habitat. That is ethology. Next, evolution. So basically the study of the origin of life, variation and formation of new species. Now this is one of the favorite questions of entrance exams: euthenics, euphenics, evolution and ethology. These are very similar words, as you can see: eugenics, euthenics, euphenics, ethology, evolution. So remember those, very important. Next one is ethnology. So what is ethnology? It is the science that deals with the study of different races of humans. So different human races are studied in ethnology. Next one is called as etiology. So basically the study of the causative agent for a particular disease is etiology. Next one is gerontology. Now what is gerontology? The study of aging is called as gerontology. Okay. Next one is calolology. What is this? It is basically the study of human beauty. Calolology. Next is olericulture. Olericulture. Basically the study of vegetable growing is and the use of plant products as the food source is called as olericulture. Next one is agrology. Agrology. Basically the soil science that deals with the production of crops. Okay. Guys, if you're liking this kind of series, I would request you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get similar videos. And if you have any other request, please leave it in the comment down below. I'm trying my best to fulfill all of your requests. Next up, after agrology, we have agronomy. Now, what is agronomy? Soil management for the production of crop is agronomy. Next, you have anthropology. Now, what is this? Basically related to humans. So, the study of origin, development, and the relationship between cultural of past and present humans. Okay, that is what is coming in anthropology. Next is ecology. In ecology, we study the interrelationship between living and their environment. So that is ecology. Next is epidemiology. Epidemiology, very important now in the times of COVID. This word we have learned a lot. So basically the studying of various factors that affect the outbreaks of different infections in a large population comes under epidemiology. If you want more information about the COVID vaccines and the different events that have occurred during this pandemic, please click the I button or check the link down in the description. Next is exobiology. That is the study of the possibility of life in space. Is called as exobiology. Next up, hydroponics. Again, a very important one. Hydroponics is study of growing plants without any soil. That is, we grow plants in water that contain all the necessary nutrients that are required. That is hydroponics. Next one is called as herpetology. Herpetology, that is study of amphibians and reptiles, is herpetology. Next is ichthyology. Now this you have not, it's not very easy to understand, to remember basically, that this is called as the study of fishes. Okay. Next one is myrmecology. Myrmecology, which is study of ants. So study of ants is myrmecology. Next one is opiology. Now, what is opiology? Basically, it is a branch of herpetology which deals with snakes. Okay, that is called as opiology. Next one is odontology. Odontology, which is study of the teeth and gums. Okay. Next, pomology. Pomology, that is the study of fruit and the fruit yielding plants. So basically all about fruits. Next up is phycology. Phycology, that is study of algae. Next is photobiology. Photobiology is studying the effect of light on the different biological processes. That is photobiology. Next is paleobiology. Paleobiology, which is basically the study of plant fossils. So study of plant fossils, paleobiology. Now there are many that I have not given, like simple ones. For example, mycology is the study of fungus. Bacteriology, study of bacteria. Then you have other things like the study of blood. It is called as hematology, study of antigen antibody relationships. Serology, study of arteries. This kind of studies that are quite common, I have not included. Okay, but I have given you most of the important ones that are definitely going to be asked in many of the entrance exams. So that's it from me for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.